Hello everyone, this is Hitesh. I hope you all are fine at home with your family. Dear students, today we will learn how we will find the product of two binomials. Okay, so let's get started. Today we will be starting exercise 9.3 question number 1, multiplying the following. The first part, 5x minus 2y by 2x plus 5y. Okay, now here 5x minus 2y and 2x plus 5y both are binomials because it contains two terms. Okay, now we have to multiply these two binomials. Okay, so first we will write these binomials in a bracket. Okay, like this we will write 5x minus 2y multiply 2x plus 5y. Okay, now we will simplify. Okay, so first we will take the first term of first bracket and multiply by the second bracket. Okay, so the first term is 5x. Okay, and the second bracket is 2x plus 5y. Okay, so we will write 5x multiply 2x plus 5y. Okay, then we will take second term of first bracket with sign. Okay, so it will minus 2y multiply by the second bracket, so it will 2x plus 5y. Okay, now we will simplify these two brackets. Okay, so 5 multiply 2 10 and x multiply x square. Okay, and here 5 5s are 25 and x multiply y xy. Okay, and here 2 2s are 4 y multiply x xy. Okay, and here minus plus minus and 2 5s are 10 and y multiply y square. Okay, now you can see 25xy and 4xy both are like terms. Okay, 25xy is positive and 4xy is negative, so we will subtract. Okay, so it will 10x square plus 25 minus 4, it will 21xy minus 10y square. Okay, so this is the expansion form of this product. Okay, so I think this question is clear to all of you. Okay, now the second part is a plus 3b multiply by 5a minus 2b 5a minus 2b. Okay, so now these two expressions are binomials. Okay, a plus 3b is a binomial because it contains two terms, and 5a minus 2b is also a binomial because it contains two terms. Okay, so first we will take first term of the first bracket and multiply by the second bracket, means 5a minus 2b. Okay, then we will take second term of first bracket with sign and multiply by the second bracket 5a minus 2b. Okay, now we will simplify these two brackets. Okay, so a multiply 5a, so it will 5a square minus a multiply 2b, so it will 2ab. Okay, and here 3 5s are 15 and b multiply ab. Okay, plus minus 3 2s are 6 and b multiply b square. Okay, now you can see 2ab and 15ab are like terms because same variables and same exponent. Okay, so these two are like terms. Okay, so now here 2ab is negative and 15ab is positive, so we will subtract. So it will 5a square minus 2ab plus 15ab, it will 13ab minus 6b square. Okay, so this is the expansion form of this product. Okay, this is called the factorized form or product form, and this is called the expansion form. Okay, now the C part is 1 by 3a square b square minus 1 by 2ab multiply 3a cube plus 2b cube. Okay, So now these two expressions are binomials because it contains two terms. Okay, so first we will take the first term of first bracket. Okay, 1 by 3 a square b square multiply by the second bracket 3a cube plus 2b cube. Okay, फिर now we'll take second term of first bracket with sign, so it will minus 1 by 2 ab multiply by the second bracket 3a cube plus 2b cube. Okay, now we will simplify these two brackets. Okay, so 1 by 3a square b square 1 by 3 a square b square multiply by 3a cube. Okay, then 1 by 3 a square b square multiply by 2b cube. 1 by 3 a square b square multiply by 2b cube. Okay, and here 1 by 2ab multiply by 3a cube. 1 by 2ab multiply by 3a cube. Okay, and here minus plus minus. Okay, and 1 by 2ab multiply by 2b cube. Okay, now here we can cancel out 3 ones are 3. Okay, and here 2 ones are 2. Okay, now we will multiply. Okay, a square multiply by a cube, so base is same and both are in multiplication, so power will add, so it will 2 plus 3 5, so a raised to power 5 and b square. Okay, and here first we will multiply the numerical coefficient. Okay, so 1 by 3 multiply by 2, so it will 2 by 3. Okay, and b square multiply by b cube, so the base is same and both are in multiplication, so power will add, so it will 2 by 3 a square and b raised to power 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 5. Okay, so it will b raised to power 5, and here 1 by 2 multiply by 3, so it will 3 by 2. Okay, and a multiply a cube, so base is same and again both are in multiplication, so the power will add 3 plus 1 4, so it will 3 by 2 a raised to power 4 b. Okay, and here b multiply b cube, again the base is same and both are in multiplication, so power will add, so it will a b raised to power 4. Okay, now you can see there are no like terms in this expression or polynomial. Okay, so this is the simplest form of this product. Okay, now the next part is D part. 2.5x plus 1.2y multiply by 0.6x minus 0.5y. Okay, so first we will take the first term of first bracket and multiply by the second bracket. Okay, so it will 2.5x multiply 0.6x minus 0.5y. Then we will take second term of first bracket with sign. Okay, so it will 1.2y multiply by 0.6x minus 0.5y. Okay, now we will simplify these two brackets. Okay, so 2.5 multiply 0.6, it will 1.5. Okay, and x multiply x, it will x square. Okay, minus 2.5 multiply 0.5, so it will 1.25. Okay, and x multiply by xy. Okay, and here 1.2 multiply 0.6, so it will 0.72. Okay, and y multiply x, so it will xy या yx. Okay, and here plus minus minus 1.2 multiply 0.5, so it will 0.60, and y multiply by y square. Okay, now you can see 1.25 xy and 0.72 xy both are like terms. Okay, 1.25 xy is negative and 0.72 xy is positive, so we have to subtract. Okay, so the answer will be 1.5x square minus 0.5 minus 2 3 and 12 minus 7 5, so it will 0.53 xy minus 0.60 y square. Okay, so this is the expansion form of this product. Okay, so I think this part is clear to all of you. Okay, so now this is sufficient for today. Okay, this is all about the today class, and the students please complete this work. Okay,